योऽन्तः प्रवेश मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरः स्वधाम्ना अन्यां च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्. Good day, dear friend. As we are aware about coronavirus, it is becoming like a worldwide epidemic. People are in panic. Schools are closed. Roads are closed. Cities are closed. And everybody has to sit in their home, in their house, with the family. So this is a very critical time. And I was just reading Charak Samhita. And in Charak Samhita, there is a chapter called Jana Pada Dhvamsa Vyadi, means the worldwide epidemics. And there Charak says this is a great opportunity to be at home. This is a period to go within. So we can follow our dinacharya, wake up early morning, brush your teeth, scrape your tongue, rinse your mouth, and drink hot water or warm water, ginger, cinnamon, cardamom tea, or regular chai with tulsi, holy basil, 1 or 2 leaves, or even mint, cinnamon, cardamom. These herbal teas are so boosting energy because rogaha sarevepi mandegnam sutaram udaranitu. As long as if we keep our Agni strong, then illness will not happen to us. So Ayurveda has a great way of prevention. How we can prevent to get affected by coronavirus. So keep your Agni strong. And for that, Dinacharya is the first important thing that Ayurveda is recommending. In Dinacharya, wake up in the morning, scrape your tongue, brush your teeth, drink warm water, then do pranayama. There is a package of 8 pranayama: Basrika, Kapalbhati, Anulom Milom, Ujjayi, Udgit, and then finally Shitalin Shitkari. Just by doing this package of 8 pranayama, we can strengthen our immune system, our pranavahasrotas, respiratory system, and rasavahasrotas, lymphatic system will be clean, and that way we can booster our energy. It will maintain the balance of Ojas, Tejas, Prana. And there are very simple herbal remedy that Charak has mentioned. Even though there is no common cold, Charak says that you should take Sitopaladi, Talisadi, Abrak Bhasma, Mahasudarshan Churna, this package, half a teaspoon 3 times a day or twice a day, even morning and evening. If you are tired, you don't want to do that, even you make a chai and just put a pinch of Sitopaladi or pinch of Talisadi into the chai itself, and it will give wonderful flavor to the tea. That way, we can clean our pranavahasrotas, our respiratory system, and it will give us boosting energy so that we can keep away the virus. Other interesting thing in Dinacharya, do some yogasana, camel pose, cobra pose, cow pose, bow, breech pose, lotus, locust, lion pose. If you think it is too complicated, just do Surya Namaskar. Minimum 7, maximum 12, because there are 7 dhatus. So, and there are 12 important figure of Surya. So, if we do 12 Surya Namaskar or 7 Surya Namaskar and then do pranayama and then sit for meditation, do Soham meditation. Sit quiet in a lotus pose or in a Siddhasana, Sahajasana, and inhale with So, exhale with Hum. This is a great opportunity. When we do this Soham meditation, you will flower the inner joy, the inner beauty. Then sit quiet and feel your presence. Your isness is awareness. And that awareness is Sat Chit Ananda. Sat means truth, the existence. Chit means awareness. And Ananda is joy. These are not 3 words. This is one and the same thing. Sat is awareness. Chit is awareness. Ananda is awareness. So we have to see what is going on in this outer world. Anything is going on, it come and it will go. Nothing is permanent in this world. Even this coronavirus will come and will live on its own accord. But we have to keep integrity, harmony, happiness, and balance between body, mind, and consciousness. This is a great opportunity to be at home and then eat homemade basmati rice, moong dal khichdi, sabji. Hot food is good. It is better not to take cold drinks, no iced water, no iced cold beverage, no yogurt, no cheese, and no ice cream. Because that cold will suppress Agni. Exposure to cold will diminish our natural resistance. For that reason, try to avoid the cold. You can have sip hot water, or while eating food, put little ginger in the water, and that hot ginger tea is excellent. This is a wonderful message from Charak Samhita, from Jana Pada Dvamsa Vyadi, means this worldwide epidemics. The chapter is called Dumduma Swani Adhyay. Dum Dum. So they, during old days, they used to play drum, dum 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 dum. And amazing, in India, the Prime Minister of India, he said, you ring the bell or clap just to honor those people, those who are working for fighting with this coronavirus. So even in your home, you can do puja, you can do arti, burn little camphor and do arti or ghee lamp, and rest of the people are clapping. This clapping sound, there are marma, the marma of the heart, the marma of the lung, the marma of the kidney, and this clapping will strengthen the energy, it will send message to the internal organ. So this is called Dumduma Swani Adhyay. So Dumdum is a mantra. You can chant Om, you can say Hari Om, you can say Jai Ganesh. All these are very creative, positive vibration of higher consciousness, and we will support our family, we'll support our friend, we'll support our neighbor, so that we will stand together, walk together, share together the same truth. Sangachadvam samvadadvam sammo vachamsi janatam deva bhagam yatha purve sanjanana upasate. Let us walk together, share together, stand together, but not too close, with little distance. Because too much close and never shake hand, but do namaste. Namaste is very beautiful. If you see your friend, namaste, and this is wonderful. So there is no direct hand-to-hand contact. So this Sangachadvam, Samvadadvam, let us speak the same truth together. Let us share this wisdom with our friend and be happy. And this period will soon go away. Within a couple of weeks, you will see positive vibration. And don't be nervous, don't be unhappy, don't be sad. Come out. Uttishtataha, Jagrataha, Prapya Varanyabodhita. Stand together and you will see the energy will flower into bliss, into peace. Namaste.